To this concentrate, I had calculated amount of water to give me the required concentration of H2SO4. Now these equations are important. I have put all the equations at one time so that if they ask you to write the equations of contact process, you know what to do. Of course, the conditions are there and we have to look into it. Chalo, start learning all these. Right. Now, let's just start with one equation. First, burning of iron pyrites. Iron pyrites, this is an ore of iron. So they could ask you ore of iron or they could just add iron pyrites, which you can write it in your textbook on page 205. Look at step 1, conversion. It's given there. Or iron pyrites. Next, in the contact tower, you convert sulfur dioxide into sulfur trioxide. You use vanadium pentoxide. You could even use platinum, but you don't use platinum because it is expensive and it gets easily poisoned by impurities. That is why the impurities need to be removed. Which are your impurities? Arsenic impurities and dust. Arsenic oxide and dust are the impurities which are removed in the purification unit. Why removed? Because they should not poison the catalyst and decrease the efficiency. Are you all with me? Okay, what is the temperature maintained to? Not too high, not too low, a moderate temperature, because if it is too low, the yield is less. And you know, it's an industry, we don't have that kind of time. If we increase the temperature, the backward reaction will take place and decomposition of sulfur trioxide takes place. So we don't even want that. So we take a moderate. Remember, I'd explained it with ammonia that mummy uses a moderate flame. All right, beach me. So that kind, the same thing is applicable here. The pressure is 1 or 2 atmospheres, because if you use higher pressure, then there could be the bursting of lead pipes and the reaction vessels are expensive. So we don't need more than 1 or 2 atmospheres. That means basically at the pressure that you're living. You know that you're living at 1 atmospheric pressure, right? I hope you know that. You live at 1 atm. Now, I could have dissolved sulfur trioxide directly in water to give me sulfuric acid, but the reaction is so highly exothermic, it forms a dense fog. This dense fog is very difficult to condense because it's a non-volatile acid. So first, I will dissolve it in sulfuric acid and make a concentrate. Concentrate banate hain. They have all the gola syrups. For whatever you want, you just put. Sanmeet, you've disappeared. Sanmeet. So, this is what happens. So I make a concentrate, and to this concentrate, whoever requires some whatever amount of concentration, I will add water to it and give you the desired concentration. Please mark on page 205. Mark step 1, step 2, step 3. The summary you may cancel. Step 1, step 2, step 3, mark. The summary you may cancel. Go on to page 206. Go on to page 206. Very rarely, but it was asked. Sulfur pyrite burners, the second point. What is burning of pyrite preferred burning in oxygen than air? Because air has 71%. 79% or 78% nitrogen. And nitrogen is no good to me. तो खाली पीली मेरा energy waste होता है. Mark the second point. Purification unit. Mark the impurities present, removal of impurities and method of removal. This is there in my paper.
Can I go use the restroom?
Yes, don't put your webcam off. Impurities present, removal and method of removal. The dust particles are removed in the dusting and scrubbing tower, and arsenic oxide impurities removed in the catalyst. Very important. Vanadium pentoxide is preferred. Mark. Promoter and catalyst. Please mark. Next page, an optimum temperature, third point.